In today's world, running a business is not just about having a product or service, it's about visibility. If people can't find you online, your competitors are already ahead of you. Every single day, billions of people spend hours scrolling through Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, or searching on Google for solutions. The real question is your business showing up where it matters most? This is exactly where DM.Techplnt comes in. We are not just a digital marketing agency, we are your growth partner. Our mission is simple: to take your business from where it is today to where you want it to be tomorrow, through smart, effective, and data-driven digital marketing strategies. Think about Facebook and Instagram for a moment. These are no longer just social platforms, they are massive marketplaces. Every scroll is an opportunity, and every post is a chance to connect with your next customer. At DM.Techplnt, we specialize in creating campaigns that actually convert. We don't just boost random posts, we design professional ad campaigns, build audience targeting, craft eye-catching graphics, and write engaging captions. Whether you want brand awareness, leads, or direct sales, we make sure your message lands in front of the people who are most likely to buy from you. Now let's talk about YouTube. Video content is the future, and YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. But here's the challenge: millions of videos are uploaded every day, and most of them never get noticed. Why? Because they're not optimized. That's where DM.Techplnt makes the difference. Our YouTube SEO and channel optimization services make sure your videos get discovered. From keyword research to optimized titles and descriptions, from attractive thumbnails to boosting watch time and audience retention, we help you grow your channel, build subscribers, and even increase your YouTube revenue. And then, of course, there's Google. Imagine someone is searching for a service you offer, but your business doesn't appear on the first page. That's lost revenue. At DM.Techplnt, we use Google Ads and PPC campaigns to ensure you're right at the top when people are searching for solutions. We create smart ad campaigns, run display ads across popular sites, and use remarketing strategies to bring back visitors who left without buying. With our analytics and reporting, you'll know exactly where your money is going and what results you're getting. But ads alone are not enough. For sustainable long-term success, your website needs to attract organic traffic. That's where our SEO and content marketing comes in. We handle everything from on-page SEO, optimizing your site speed, structure, and keywords, to off-page SEO like building high-quality backlinks. We also focus on local SEO, so that customers searching in your area find you first. And when it comes to content, we help you build authority with blogs, articles, and website copy that not only attract visitors but also turn them into loyal customers. Customer retention is just as important as customer acquisition. That's why we provide email and SMS marketing services. With automated email campaigns, personalized newsletters, and promotional SMS messages, we keep your customers engaged, informed, and coming back for more. This builds strong customer relationships and increases repeat sales. But here's what really makes DM.Techplnt different: we don't just run campaigns, we help you build a brand. A brand that people recognize, trust, and recommend. We offer creative graphics, professional video production, influencer marketing, and online reputation management. Our strategies are not about short-term gains, they're about long-term growth. We combine creativity with data. Every decision we make is based on research, analytics, and proven marketing strategies. That's why when businesses work with us, they don't just see likes and followers. They see real growth, real customers, and real revenue. So, let me ask you this: are you ready to take your business to the next level? Are you ready to stand out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google? Are you ready to grow your visibility, your customers, and your sales? If the answer is yes, then the time is now. Join the many businesses that have already trusted us and seen the results. Don't wait for your competitors to get ahead. Take the lead with DM.Techplnt today. Because at the end of the day, digital success doesn't have to be complicated. With the right partner, it can be simple. And that's exactly what we believe in. DM.Techplnt, digital success, made simple.